Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Create a class database with one page per class to house syllabi, materials, and quick links. This becomes the backbone for every subject. Use properties, teacher, room, credits, and color to filter and sort classes by time or instructor. Set up a home page with links to core pages and a daily planner so you open Notion and immediately see today's agenda, active homework, and quick access to the 5 classes you use most during the week. Use a template for class notes with date, topic, objectives, and summary to keep every lecture uniform and searchable. Include a toggle for examples and one for summary at the bottom. Break study time into 25-minute focused blocks and 5-minute breaks to apply the Pomodoro approach inside Notion timers or linked widgets and log total minutes studied per subject. Create a master calendar, syncing assignments and tests with due dates. Create a grade tracker using numeric scores and weight percentages for each assignment so Notion calculates a running grade and shows how a new score will affect your average. Set semester goals like 3, 5 GPA or 90% average per subject, and add milestone checkboxes for tests, projects, and college prep items. Review progress weekly and adjust study blocks accordingly, moving extra 25-minute sessions into subjects that need improvement and archiving completed tasks to keep the workspace clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.